No, I think the important issue that's being raised by correctly by Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is the kind of rot that is set in our country. He's pointed to a very, very important issue, this connection between crime and government, criminals and politicians, the weakening generally of the criminal justice system, including all its elements, policing, prosecution, etc. I'm very, very glad that Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi had the courage to speak out on this thing. Because at last now we have the possibility of the Matlanga Commission, which will then hear evidence from everybody. So at least the country has a picture of what's the real state of the criminal justice system. Who are these criminals who are doing all sorts of terrible things? Who are they? Where do they come from? How do they operate? To answer those questions, because in the end, there must come a comprehensive response to the issue of crime and corruption in the country. A comprehensive response, and I'm sure that's going to come out of what the Matlanga Commission will hear. And therefore, the practical, actual steps, what is to be taken, will be based on concretely what is happening in the country. I'm very, very, very glad indeed that General Mkhwanazi, General Masamula, the leadership of the police have decided they must speak out publicly about all of these things, because I think the country needs it.